In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a meta description using Yoast SEO. Meta descriptions play a crucial role in SEO, serving as a brief summary that appears below your page title in search engine results. They can significantly influence whether users click on your link or choose another option. Let's walk through the process of adding a meta description using the Yoast SEO plugin. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply go to yourdomain.com WWP admin and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard, which serves as a control center for managing your site's content. Next, decide on which page or post you'd like to optimize with a meta description. Whether it's an article, a product page, or even a landing page, navigate to it in your site's content and click on the Edit button. This will open up your content editor, where you can make modifications to your existing content or metadata. With the page or post open, scroll down until you find the Yoast SEO panel. The Yoast SEO plugin integrates seamlessly with your content editor and allows you to manage on-page SEO elements with ease, including our focus for today: meta descriptions. In this panel, you'll notice various options designed to help enhance your SEO. Look for the Google Preview section. Here you'll find a button labeled Edit Snippet. Click on this button, and it will expand the snippet editor, giving you access to fields for your SEO title, slug, and the all-important meta description. Now, it's time to add your meta description. In the meta description field, type out a concise, engaging summary of your page's content. When crafting your meta description, aim for a length between 120 to 155 characters. This range is recommended because it ensures your description won't get cut off in search results. A helpful tip is to include your focus key phrase naturally within your meta description, as this can enhance the description's relevance to search queries. As you type, Yoast provides immediate feedback with a color bar to indicate if your meta description is within the optimal range. You'll want this bar to turn green, which signifies that your description is good to go. If it's red or orange, consider adjusting the length accordingly. Once you've finalized your meta description, don't forget to save your changes. If you're working on a live page or post, click the Update button. If it's a new or unpublished post, click Publish. This ensures your awesome new meta description is live and visible to search engines. That's it. You've successfully added a meta description using Yoast SEO. Remember, a well-crafted meta description can improve your click-through rates significantly, making this a valuable tool in your SEO arsenal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.